The hidden trick of a stock lug wrench few drivers know about. Segment 1. Flat tire frustration? Brother, imagine you're stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire. You grab the stock lug wrench from your trunk, but it feels weak, almost useless. Most drivers don't realize this little tool has a hidden trick that makes changing tires way easier. According to AAA, flat tires are one of the top roadside emergencies worldwide. The solution? Understanding how to unlock the real power of that simple wrench. Tip for now, don't panic when it feels short. Stay tuned, because the next segment reveals why this tool isn't as weak as you think. Segment 2. The science of leverage. Buddy, here's the fact. Physics tells us torque equals force times distance. That tiny wrench looks short, which limits the leverage. But here's the secret. Many stock lug wrenches are designed to extend or fit with another part of your car's toolkit. That doubles the leverage without buying anything new. Next time, before giving up, check if the handle slides or if another tool in the kit fits. You'll be surprised how much easier nuts come loose. Want to hear how pros do it with zero extra cost? Stick with me in the next segment. Segment 3. Motivation moment. Listen, brother, don't feel embarrassed if you struggled before. Every driver has been there. The point is not about strength, it's about smart technique. Remember, preparation beats panic every time. You're learning a skill that could save you money, time, and stress. If you can master one simple trick with your lug wrench, you're already ahead of 80% of drivers out there. Ready to feel more confident? Let's move into the practical hack in the next part. Segment 4. The extension hack. Here's the real deal, buddy. That stock wrench often has a telescopic feature or can be extended using the jack handle. This instantly doubles your leverage. The longer the handle, the less strength you need. Mechanics know this, but car manuals rarely explain it clearly. So next time, connect that handle or slide it out. You'll feel the difference instantly. Don't believe me? In the next part, I'll show you a test anyone can do at home to prove it. Segment 5. Home experiment. Take a nut and bolt, clamp it on something sturdy, and try loosening it with just the short wrench. It's tough, right? Now slide the extension or attach a pipe to make it longer. Suddenly, it feels effortless. That's the power of leverage in action. This isn't about strength, it's about using science. So before blaming weak tools, learn how to unlock their design. Up next, let's talk about mistakes drivers often make when using stock tools. Buddy, here's your reminder. Challenges on the road don't test your muscles, they test your mindset. You don't need to be the strongest, you just need to be the smartest. Every problem has a solution hiding in plain sight. Today it's a lug wrench. Tomorrow it might be something bigger in life. You've got this. Let's keep rolling with more tricks. Segment 7. Common mistake 1. A lot of drivers stand on the wrench to force it. Dangerous move, brother. One slip and you can hurt yourself badly. The safe way is to extend the wrench properly and use steady pressure, not sudden jumps. Cars are heavy and safety comes first. Want to know the second big mistake that could ruin your wheel studs? Hang on for the next part. Segment 8. Common mistake 2. Another mistake is over-tightening when putting the wheel back. People think tighter means safer, but that can strip threads or crack studs. The correct way is to snug the nuts, then use proper torque. Stock wrenches are usually sized to prevent over-torquing. That's why they feel short. They're designed with safety in mind. So the trick isn't to fight the tool, but to understand its purpose. Curious about mistake number 3? Let's keep going. Segment 9. Motivation moment. Brother, notice something? Even small tools carry big lessons. Sometimes limits are built in to protect us, not to hold us back. Same with life. Don't see obstacles as walls, see them as guides. You're learning to work smarter, not harder. That's true mastery. Now let's talk about mistake number 3 and how to avoid it. Segment 10. Common mistake 3. The third mistake is loosening nuts in the wrong order. Drivers often go one by one, but the correct way is to loosen them in a star pattern. This prevents the wheel from shifting or locking unevenly. Even with a short wrench, this makes the process smoother. Remember, it's not just about force, but about method. Next, I'll share a tip to make loosening nuts even easier without expensive tools. Segment 11. Lubrication trick. Here's a pro tip, buddy. If the nuts are rusted or stuck, a quick spray of penetrating oil works wonders. Wait a few minutes, then try again with the extended wrench. The science is simple. The oil reduces friction. It's a small hack that can save hours of struggle. Want to know another cheap household trick that works almost the same? Stay tuned. Segment 12, Motivation Moment. Brother, see how resourceful you can be? It's not about what you don't have. It's about how you use what you do have. You're building problem-solving skills that go beyond the garage. Every little win builds your confidence, and confidence takes you far on the road and in life. Now, let's jump to that household trick I mentioned. Segment 13, Household Trick. No spray oil, use candle wax or even soap rubbed on the threads. Heat from friction melts it slightly, acting as a temporary lubricant. Old-school drivers use this for decades. It's not fancy, but it works. Just don't forget to clean and properly tighten later. This little hack proves again, solutions are often closer than you think. Next, let's discuss why knowing these tricks matters for every driver. Segment 14, Why it matters. Buddy, statistics show that roadside assistance can take up to an hour or more depending on where you are. But with the right knowledge, you can be back on the road in 15 minutes. That's independence. That's freedom. No waiting, no stress. So when you learn the secret of the lug wrench, you're not just saving time, you're saving peace of mind. Want to hear the ultimate backup plan when all else fails? That's next. Segment 15, Motivation Moment. Brother, this is bigger than fixing a flat. It's about knowing you're capable, no matter what life throws at you. When you prepare, you cut fear in half. Keep investing in yourself because skills are the best tools you'll ever own. You're stronger and smarter than you think. Let's close with the ultimate safety plan every driver should have. Segment 16, The Backup Plan. If the wrench still won't work, have a compact breaker bar or cross wrench in your trunk. They're cheap, light, and give extra leverage. Think of it as insurance. Most drivers don't carry one, but those who do never get stuck. It's peace of mind for under $20. But before you buy, let me show you one final DIY trick with the stock tool itself. Segment 17, DIY Trick. Some drivers slip the stock wrench handle inside a hollow jack lever or even a sturdy metal tube from the car kit. It creates a makeshift breaker bar on the spot. That's the beauty of design. Manufacturers often give you hidden compatibility without saying much about it. Once you know, you'll never see your car tools the same way again. Ready for the summary of all hacks? Let's wrap it up. Segment 18, Quick Recap. We've covered the hidden extension, safe tightening patterns, lubrication hacks, household tricks, and DIY leverage, all with just the stock tool most drivers ignore. The message is clear. Knowledge turns a weak tool into a strong one. Don't underestimate what's already in your trunk. Next, I'll leave you with one last motivation before we end. Segment 19, Final Motivation. Brother, here's the truth. Life is like that lug wrench. At first it feels small, limited, not enough. But when you learn to use it wisely, it becomes powerful. Don't doubt yourself when things feel tough. You already have more strength, more tools, more potential than you realize. Keep believing, keep learning, and keep moving forward. So, buddy, next time you face a flat tire, remember the hidden power of your stock lug wrench. You're ready, capable, and smarter than most drivers out there. If this video helped you, like, share, and comment your own car hack experience. And don't forget to subscribe for more car tips. Disclaimer. Always consult a medical professional if you have a special condition before attempting heavy work.